Hello everyone, welcome to Sanctis Academy. In this video, we'll be learning long answer questions of the topic the rise of nationalism in Europe. Question number 2 we begin with because question number 1 is the same as the short answer questions. Question number 1. If you've not seen it, please go and revise question number 1 from the short answer questions. So question number 2 is describe the impact of Napoleonic reforms on the rest of Europe. What changes did the Napoleonic reform bring about in Europe? This was asked in the board exam of 2015. Another way of asking the same question is Napoleon had destroyed democracy in France, but in the administrative field, he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient. Analyze the statement with our arguments. This was asked in the board exam of 2016. It's a 5-mark long answer question. So we have to give 5 points, each point carrying 1 mark, making the total to 5 marks. The answer to both these questions is the same. What is the Napoleonic reforms? What is the change that the Civil Code of 1804 bring about in the administrative field and the rest of Europe? The answer is Napoleon set about introducing many of the reforms he had already introduced in France. Napoleon destroyed democracy in France by himself becoming a monarch, but in the administrative field, he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient. What were these changes? Number 1, the Civil Code of 1804, usually known as the Napoleonic Code, did away with all privileges based on birth, established equality before law, and secured the right to property. Number 2, the code was exported to the regions under French control. Number 3, in the Dutch Republic, Switzerland, Italy, and Germany, Napoleon simplified administrative divisions. He abolished the feudal system and freed peasants from serfdom and manorial dues. In the towns too, guild restrictions were removed. Transport and communication systems were improved. So these are the 5 points that were there in the sample answers. Another way of writing this, which was there in the 2016 sample paper, is Napoleon had destroyed democracy in France, but in the administrative field, he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient. The Civil Code of 1804, usually known as the Napoleonic Code, was introduced. All privileges based on birth were removed. He established equality before law. The right to property was given. He simplified administrative divisions. Feudal system was abolished and peasants were freed from serfdom and manorial dues. Guild restrictions were removed. Transport and communication systems were improved. This was the answer at page 6 of the NCERT text. I will see you in question number 3. Thank you for watching.